Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be on this website here called QuickTate, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money by doing transcription services and jobs? Okay, let's check it all out. Let's find out if QuickTate is really legit. Is it a good way, or is it a big waste of time? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. Let's check out QuickTate to find out whether this is a good use of your time, or maybe there are better ways out there, right? Now, QuickTate is a very large transcription service website, right? So you can come here. You can basically not only order transcription services, right? You can see the pricing here, things like that, how it works, right? But you can also become one of their transcribers. So if you come to the bottom right here, you can see here it says become a transcriber, right? So if you click on that, you're going to land on this page right here, and you can basically sign in, and they'll give you a bunch of details on how you can do this. Now, a few things that you have to understand is, first of all, in order for you to be able to get this job with them, basically, it's a freelance job, essentially, right? So what you're doing is you're transcribing audio into text files, all right? So different things like voice messages, memos, letters, legal files, medical files, recordings of phone calls, conference calls, and other audio files, right? So you have to be pretty good at listening to files and also typing them out accurately at the same time in English, all right? So the only thing about QuickTate is that unfortunately, if you don't have any transcribing experience, then you cannot apply to this job, because you have to have experience. In number 4, you can see it right there, that you have to have already had some transcribing experience, okay? So if you haven't done that yet, you can go to different websites like Fiverr or Upwork.com. You can get a little bit of transcribing experience, and then you can always come back here and look for more jobs, okay? Now, if you want to sign up with them, then there's a few things that you have to do. First of all, they want you to be honest and have integrity, and you have to be reliable, because this is a real freelance job, right? And they work with very big clients. And if you can't deliver, it's going to be a problem for QuickTate. So make sure that you're ready to actually take this on properly. The next thing is you need to take a quiz from them, right? So they've got a few different languages: English, Spanish, French, medical, things like that, right? And as soon as you take the test, then you can also apply to their job, right? So these are the details right here. You can just outline, follow whatever's outlined in the help desk, right? You can take the quiz right here at QuickTateZendesk.com, all right? And then the important thing as well is, because these guys are 100% legit, you do have to pay for your own background test, okay? So they want to check your background. It's $20, non-refundable, so you have to be okay with that. If you're not okay with that, then you can't get a job with QuickTate at all. But if you're cool with that, $20 background check. They just have to make sure that you don't have any anything in your background that they don't want to work with, right? You can't be a felon, of course. That's very important. And then once that's good, you can apply to them, fill all these details out, right? And what will happen is they will get back to you, obviously, and then the jobs will start to flow in, okay? Now, the big question is how much can you make with a transcribing job like QuickTate, okay? So these guys pay $0.0025 per word, all right? That's equivalent to about 1 cent for every 4 words. So if you do the math on that, it's roughly about, for every 1,000 words that you convert from audio into text, you will make $2.50. That pay is not high, it's not low, it's somewhere in the middle for transcribing services, okay? So just understand that, this type of work, you're not going to get rich, right, with transcribing services. This is one of those things where you do have to put in a lot of time, you do have to be experienced, and you can make okay money with it, because if you're fast, you can transcribe probably a few thousand words within an hour, right? So the pay is roughly about $5 per hour, $7.50 per hour. It's like a regular day job, to be honest, right? But you're doing 100% stuff online, which is pretty cool, okay? But you do need to build up your experience a little bit if you don't have experience, because QuickTate only accepts people with experience, as I mentioned earlier, all right? Again, they pay out through PayPal. And so if you want to check out QuickTate, and if you're like, yeah, this sounds like something for me, I've already got transcription experience, then you can just come over to QuickTate.com, come to the bottom right here, and you can sign up as a transcriber if you want to check it out, okay? Now, there are some other websites that you can also check out, and that's the thing about transcribing is if you want to make maximum amount of income from this, you need to be part of a few different transcribing services. So one of the other good ones is called Scribey.com. You can check this out as well. Scribey, okay. Another really good one is Rev. Okay, I've actually used Rev as a service, as a client. I've paid them money to have my audio transcribed into subtitles. So they're a great company as well, and they've got a really cool interface right here. You can check these guys out, all right? But also remember that, transcribing is one of those things where, it's not going to make you rich, but the nice thing is that it's a real job, especially if you use good websites like these good services, and you can literally do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have a little bit of experience. So you can check it out here, QuickTate.com, all right? Hope you enjoy it. Now, if you're here watching this video, maybe you are looking for a way to make big money online and you don't know how, right? On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them are so-so, some of them are not so good. But out of all the good ones, my favorite way, and this is the strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in 2019. You can check it out if you want. Just click the link below and I'll share that strategy with you. It's 100% online, and I hope you enjoy it, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of QuickTate. I'll see you on another video review. Take care.